in black. Yeah, guys, we're there. Today is a new day. Me and Bia is about to go up on the road. We're about to go to the store. Cause guess what? Babes, I make ackee saltfish with fried dumpling and platin and all these things. So we need a couple more little ingredients. So we're heading out. It's raining, guys. Like outside is wet, but I love the rain. See, I'm showing them. Yeah, 100% rain. So we're head out in the rain. So we'll get a few things, make a right, boo. Yeah. So Russia.
Morning.
Sell out to the people,
don't
baby.
Know the thing set. I don't tell them a long time about it, you know. And she come talk about food again. Don't you say no me say nothing at all.
Lie.
Okay.
Yo, anytime you come with him ideas, then blame them for me. But it's alright because the food nice anyway, so.
Yo.
That's how it go.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get some yesterday.
Yo, peeps, the fish last night. Oh my god. So good. The steamed fish we make. It was the bomb.com. Okay? Make alright. So yeah, we're heading to the grocery store to go grab a few things. So we'll link up once we get to the store, right, baby?
Yeah, of course, but must. You don't know. Yeah, we out here. We
Rash Nique.
We tapping clean. We tapping hard.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we link up when we reach the store, alright? Hey peeps, Yeah, so we reach our Walmart now. We don't gonna go Public. We were gonna go to Public, but we changed our mind. I just went to Walmart. So hubby let me off at the entrance so I wouldn't get too wet. So he went to go park the car. So I'm just waiting for him now to come. I'm just gonna pick up some stuff. We have the ackee already. We have the saltfish already. But we need butter, flour, and what else he sent me? Oh, milk. Do the fried dumpling. Oh, I'm gonna need to get some ripe plantain if them have it. Hopefully them have it. So see me, I come around the corner about whoa. So yes, like a old market man.
Are you if you drop me off your song and go get the wet up, you know?
Really? So you drop me off for the wrong way I go to? You see?
No, me know, but man.
You don't know nothing, man.
You want if you know.
Go on about your business, you don't know nothing. Baby, but it look like they're not the right planting.
Yeah.
Then we should get some up abroad, yes, when we go.
We never plant all that we are doing.
All of that
That's thing, you know.
So I've got to scratch the planting thing. Unless they do press plant. So yeah.
You don't want press plant with that cat saltfish?
And the fried dumpling too? Sure.
So you must start one time.
Yeah, true that too.
If I get the frozen one, I'll give it. Or if I'm fry.
Alright. So other way I forgot. How you say lead out. Watch him. Yeah, so.
I want them a foreign me there. In a foreign country. Yeah.
You see I'm BF? I'm not know for Ackee when him come on road, you know.
Man rich.
Since I want to talk for me, I hear you know, I talk for you.
I know, man. I talk all for myself too. Because something you know. I talk truth all the while.
Hold on there, my friend. Look where me I go.
She can't ride on with you, see that? Can't multitask. Same thing, she not even know she going now. And I say me this, and me this, and me that. You wet in the ear? Yeah.
Water never killed nobody.
Well, so them John, our John them. A ear?
I never saw a lot of water.
Oh, okay. Yeah man, we outside as we say. I go and pick up 1 and 2, few. Link on the back to come out, come here to go get the thing them together here. Yeah peeps, back down. We're there again down. I see one little name, one little thing from the thing. So I say alright then I go see what I want. Where is that? Is that restaurant is? Yeah. Is that Jamaican restaurant? Yeah. Well, I see a Jamaican herbal thing, so I go see what I go on in the night, you know, because I don't know them things are my thing, you know. You see me? So I don't know if a juice bar or them just say Jamaica or Rare, but them thing are my thing still, so you don't know the thing set.
@1.com/bike/rentals. Terms apply. With lucky win slots, you can
Yeah, man, we find out the place them, the thing them, man. Real thing them, really want. Why, baby? That's good thing. You can't come from Florida, come live. Oh, yeah.
We were getting lucky.
Look at the fridge. I did tell them this on the door. Yeah, man.
Cash prizes that add up quicker than a guest register. In that case, I pronounce you lucky.
And if I have nothing for breathing.
LuckyWinSlots.com.
Them the days that both.
Eh? Yo, no, nothing for breathing, sir. Yeah, man, nice though, me not lie, baby. Yeah, look at now, blue vervain, the plant when I drink the tea. See it, yeah, man. Wagwan Rasta, yeah, man. Rasta, I think them in a good. I look like I check them in all the while, you know. At first, me I see it, me love that so boy. Me just move from Houston, come here.
Okay,
yeah, man.
Nice, man.
Yo, Jano. Alright, my boss. See? Yeah, man. I'm just looking. Yeah. Alright.
Alrighty, thank you.
Yeah, so what's up?
I love your
Can't prepare my drink a morning time. See the thing. Alright, you see? You see what me dip on my thing already?
Whoa.
Ice in glass and all them something if you go in an Irish mash.
Mental when you're sick.
I know, man. Yo, the place is nice, me not lie. I'm have everything natural. Yeah, the elderberry liquid.
Big one them have. Is that for me?
Yeah.
For my iron.
Alright, and look, see the elderberry liquid where you put in your tongue? See the liquid?
I don't know, you know?
And look at no, see,
kids want it for you.
Alright. You understand me? I say so. Here we are say. Link to the back later, you know, because we pick up. No, we don't pick up nothing, but we just we can't vlog and look upon what I look upon. So look more saying, yeah. I'm gonna reach back on the ends, you know. Don't know the thing set down. Nique there. I go on, you know what I mean? Because from mine she not eat nothing. I not lie. She not go on talk bad today with the food, but she look some feet now before she had to get it packed her up, you know.
Take me already.
It took her already. So she don't really go too hard today with the food. I mean know why. Look here. That's why. Look here. Yeah. Yeah, fried dumpling. Ackee Saltfish. You know what I mean? No tin ackee. You see me? Watch out. Run about this come from. How I do them? A yard style. Yeah, man, we just there go and hold them, man, so. But when I start out the Ackee and Saltfish now, I couldn't know what I go on. And probably can give you a sneak preview of one plate. I'm done, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And see general, yeah?
Sup peeps, how
I
we are
want
though?
your eye. I want your eye. Or you just get so
Sup
dreamy eye from the people them, so.
how we are though peeps?
Yeah, man, I don't know the things that as me I say. I made a chef about ya. No, baby? Right. So I don't know. So I told a friend, Nique.
Sorry for them already.
I say hi to them again already?
Yeah.
See everything like that. Yeah, that's why you got gas. Don't make it catch up fire. Too bad. So link on the back a little more when the food kinda let me prep up my thing the man. Boom 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 boom. Yeah peeps. You don't know the thing set you know. But land you know, you know. A 3 day you know, Devon no come out here, you know. And watch Devon here. Devon here share all own food, watch her. She love them a food there. Devon here talk to them. And she mommy, I deal with her thing and then I don't know. Yeah, chef deal with the thing man. Whap it up fast and quick and fast, you know. Everybody up and running. So you don't know the thing set. It's a small vlog. I know nothing too much. Show no what I go on with me and Bellias. Oh, Nique. Sorry. So remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, Rash Nique, they're both.